want to see.
Scary,
I
frustrating.
know
just
what
wanna
I'm
see.
doing. It's just like not. This back part isn't.
Charlie
on the right
Brown!
place, so I can screw all of them.
Are you
The other
sharing?
screwdrivers work better. Is it a bad screwdriver?
No, this is a good screwdriver. It's just like these back holes are on the right place, so it's not like screwing into the back ones. But you have to take this off. So
Where's
then
Charlie?
you can actually move this up.
I think he likes Charlie better than anything.
Where's Charlie? Is he in the mailbox? You better get him out. Why do you keep inhaling like that?
Yeah? What's the matter, honey?
Why do you got some tears, Levi?